Okay, and write down the value of x where two graph intersects. So where are the x intercept? Maybe, I'm just saying maybe, if this is the x intercept, this is the interception, get the value of x. Just point it downward to the x-axis. That would be the value of x here. Okay, this is the value of x, this is the value of x. So you must get this value in, put it in this value here, put it this value here. Okay, all right. This is actually one of the hard question. I already predict that there must be one of the hard question in the graph question, and not to say hard, it's also confusing. Okay, so the answer to part C1 are two solutions of a cubic equation in terms of x. Right, find this equation in terms of ax squared plus bx plus cs plus d and everything here. I know this is actually annoying, but as you guys can see that this is actually interception. Okay, this is actually intersection. Intersection of what? Intersection of two lines, which is one quadratic line and one these equations. So you want to find this one. I think I told my student by using the poise. Okay, when by using a poise, which means that point of intersection, you want to use point of intersection must be equal to SE here, simultaneous equations. So you're going to use a simultaneous equations. So what are the equation? You must have a cubic, you must have a quadratic equation, and this is the equation. So what are the cubic equation, quadratic equation just now? Y equal to A equal to 4, and then B equal to -3, -3x squared. So this is the equation that we're going to talk about. And this is the equation that we're going to look about, which is do simultaneous equation. Y equal to 4 minus -3x squared just now. And then another y here is equal to 1 plus 5 over 3 minus x. So this one, you just compare the x and just make sure that you rearrange stuff lah. Okay, for this one, you just rearrange stuff. So I move it 1 to the left side first. 1 positive, move it to the left, supposed to be negative. 4 minus 1 becomes 3. So 3 minus 3x squared equal to 5 over 3 minus x. You move this thing to the left side, become bracket 3 minus 3x squared and 3 minus x, and that equal to 5. Then you just expand the stuff. Okay, expand it here, so will it become 9, and then express it here, become -3x. Expand it here, will become -3x squared. Okay, and negative become positive. So, sorry, -9, sorry, my bad. Okay, and become positive 3x squared equal to 5. And make sure that all of it are integers. I believe this one you already can know how to do. Okay, already can know how to do here. Sorry if I draw it and for, I think maybe I did a mistake here. I'm not sure. 3 is 9. 3 -3 is here, correct. Become here, correct. And this one's, yeah, correct, like that. And then you just rearrange lah. Okay, 3x cubed minus 9x squared minus 3x plus 9 minus 5 equal to 0. Where you get a 4 minus 3x is actually from the first question here. Okay, over here, you already get the equation 4 minus 3x squared. Okay, all right. Repeat the questions. These questions. Oh, okay. All right. I'm just going to repeat it once because I'm rushing to go to the next question here. I'm very sorry. So, this question here, they are asking about the, okay, they say that find this equation in the form here, and then the answer to part C are two solutions of a cubic equations. All right, and these things here, you can see that the value of x here are the intersection of the quadratic line and the another equations. So I already told my student that in any of the point of intersection, always use poise words. Okay, always use poise. This might be a new word for you guys. Okay, which is poise means point of interception must be equal to simultaneous equations. So what the meaning of simultaneous equation? You actually substitute from one to another one. Okay, so what are the equation that you have? You have this 4 minus 3x squared, and another equation is that you have this one, y equal to 1 plus 5 over 3 minus x. That is the equation. Then what you do, you just substitute that thing. You do it correctly lah. 3x cubed minus 9x squared minus 3x, and then 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5 become 4, 0. Okay, so I hope that, are you guys okay with that? Don't worry, I will actually continue with the next one.